Hello, my name is Karen. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Case Ocean School. This Australian-based study program provides a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to explore the wealth of the ocean, learning beyond the classroom in an inspirational and life-changing environment. I represent CASE, which stands for California Association for STEAM Education. We are a not-for-profit organisation working on STEAM study programs globally. Actura empowers young people to be prepared for the fast-changing world that they will enter. And STEAM is an education approach of learning science, technology, engineering, art, and maths. Together, CASE and Actura have been delivering international study programs for over 6 years to 5,000 students at over 500 schools worldwide. With the help of industry leaders and Australian universities, we have created Case Ocean School, a program like no other. It brings students the most innovative, stimulating, hands-on learning experiences, focusing on the Earth's most valuable asset, the ocean. During this video, we will go through the program benefits, activities, and learning outcomes, and discuss the personal leadership and development components.
Why is the ocean important? The ocean covers 71% of the Earth's surface. It is the last unknown frontier and one of the greatest mysteries. Sustaining all life on Earth, the ocean produces 80% of the oxygen in our atmosphere. Our climate and water supply are driven by the ocean, and over 30 million people rely on seafood as their main source of protein. Humans have mapped more of Mars and the Moon than they have our own ocean floor. Interestingly, 12 people have walked on the Moon, however only 3 people have been to the deepest part of the ocean. Why are STEAM skills important? 75% of the fastest growing occupations will require STEAM knowledge. Research shows that 3 out of every 4 of the most lucrative, most interesting, and sought after jobs will require STEAM skills. The ocean is the perfect platform for students to develop these critical skills while inspiring a new generation of STEAM-skilled leaders. The population will grow to over 10 billion within the next 30 years. The youth of today, our future leaders, need to develop ways to sustainably manage and utilize the ocean resources. Case Ocean School is approved by the University of California as a 5-point GPA college preparatory course. Students will receive an academic transcript giving them a distinct advantage when applying to universities and jobs. Now you know the program's importance and benefits, let's look at how the program is delivered. Students spend 12 days exploring Australia, the land down under, in Cairns and Brisbane. The framework for Case Junior Ocean School is broken into 3 waves. In Wave 1, students discover the ocean fundamentals and become true experts and inquisitive learners. Wave 2 provides students with inspiring personal and leadership development training to prepare them for life in the 21st century. In Wave 3, students are immersed into Australian Indigenous and modern-day culture. The 7 survival skills, a philosophy developed by former Harvard professor Dr. Tony Wagner, is the foundation of the program. Students develop transportable skills including critical thinking and problem solving, effective communication, analyzing information and curiosity and imagination. These are necessary to move through the estimated 4 different careers and 17 jobs people will have in their lifetime. Every day, Case Junior Ocean School is fast-paced and exciting. Through hands-on experiential learning, students gain new skills and become holistic ocean experts. This is achieved by exploring ocean biology, ecology, and human impacts as state-of-the-art locations and facilities while working side by side with industry leaders. Out of all Earth's ecosystems, the oceans are the most prevalent, important, and support the most life. Discovering the interconnectedness of land and ocean, students visit and explore rainforests, estuaries, mangroves, intertidal zones, and coral reefs. Students spend a day with marine biologists snorkeling the Great Barrier Reef, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. To build on their knowledge, students also discover and compare ecosystems by snorkeling a fringing coral reef. Students will most certainly see the different life and understand why both are important. The intertidal zone is considered the hardest ecosystem for marine life to live in. With scientists, students discover 3 types of intertidal zones and identify marine life, adaptations, and calculate population size. Students truly see what life is like working in the field. Living and depending on these ecosystems is a diverse range of life. Students uncover the amazing biodiversity by following the marine food chain. Working on a research boat, students collect and microscopically inspect the smallest organisms living in our oceans, plankton. Then move up the food chain to discover the largest reptile in the world, the saltwater crocodile, and then the largest mammal on Earth, the whale. Australia is the best place to observe humpback whales. With the University of Queensland, students form a hypothesis, record whale behaviour, analyse their data, and discuss results. Whales play an important role in the carbon cycle by capturing and storing up to 30,000 tonnes of carbon from the atmosphere. According to the University of California, over the past decade, human impacts to the ocean have doubled and could double again in the next decade. It is critical for students to understand these impacts and become curious as to how they can be managed and eliminated. At the Queensland University of Technology, students discover ocean management techniques. From removing ghost nets to capturing crown of thorn sea stars, they will see how technology can provide solutions. Underwater drones are now being engineered to locate and remove invasive species and monitor coral bleaching. Visit a turtle rehabilitation centre and meet the recovering patients. Students see why turtles need rehabilitating and the process that's involved. Currently, 6 of the 7 sea turtle species are classified as threatened or endangered. Get hands-on laboratory experience in the most innovative setting by discovering the effects of oil spills, a real-world problem. Students perform a DNA analysis and find out how oil spills affect predator vision and their ability to find food. Become a citizen scientist and take part in an innovative nationwide microplastics survey. In the field, students discover and discuss the origins of microplastics and their threats to marine life. And ultimately us. All the data collected will be uploaded and used around the world. Students gain critical teamwork skills including collaboration and leading by influence during the Ocean Expert Challenge. Students record their Ocean School journey using digital media and written communication to present their Ocean Expert project at the CASE exhibition. Whilst in Australia, students broaden their cultural awareness by getting up close with Australian wildlife, learning to surf, and attending a large sporting match. Students also walk through the world's oldest rainforest, keeping their eyes peeled for the elusive cassowary bird. They immerse in Australian Aboriginal culture, the oldest living civilization in the world, and challenge new friends to a game of beach volleyball. The program concludes with a CASE graduation ceremony where students' achievements are recognised and celebrated. This traditional ceremony is held by the Aboriginal Australians on traditional land. Students receive a CASE certificate and celebrate over a buffet of native bush tucker. Tying the program together is the unique opportunity for students to meet and interact with the industry professionals. These extraordinary people share their journey, views on success, and how they reached their goals. CASE work with an array of scientists, researchers, engineers, and explorers, including researchers who study and tag sharks and rays in remote Australia, explorers who have discovered the mysterious blue holes of the Great Barrier Reef, scientists who use advanced imaging to study marine life behaviour, and engineers who design world-leading technologies to capture wave energy with zero carbon emissions. Industry leaders tell us that personal skills are what makes people stand out. Integrated into the daily Ocean School schedule is the Empower module. This personal development program makes a long-lasting impression on students and lasting improvements to their lives. The Empower module is based around the growth mindset, a remarkable set of inspirational and aspirational standards for anyone seeking to fulfill their potential. A growth mindset is the belief that intelligence can be developed, and individuals can get smarter through hard work, effort, and help from others. Through engaging workshops, students learn to apply a growth mindset in their own life.
Wow! Okay, so who wants to go on Case Ocean School? In summary, the program offers a great STEAM experience, inspiration from the best minds, personal skills to bring it all together, but most of all, it is going to be fun.